Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at Target and today we are about to get into another awesome household deal. I came to Target specifically to carry myself right over to the cleaning aisle to get stocked up on cleaning products because anytime we can get stocked up on cleaning products, that is a good day, and we have some good rebates to take advantage of, and we're going to add them in with some Target savings. So y'all know how I do. Let's not waste any time. Let's get started. So the reason I came in here is because we have some swag bucks rebates, and before these swag bucks rebates were $3 back on two, but now they are $5 back on two. And so instantly I was like, let me go to Target and get myself some cheap Clorox cleaners. These are everyday price for $3.99. When you get $5 back on two, that makes them only $1.49 each after your swag bucks rebate, and you can submit it back to Tada, Inbox Dollars, all of those different apps. They're all the same as swag bucks, but I'm going to be using swag bucks. That already makes these $1.49 each with no coupons needed. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be stacking this deal in with this 10 off of 50 Target coupon on household products to get them just a little bit cheaper. So I'm going to start out by grabbing a total of 4 of these. Since this deal is a limit of 2, I can grab 4 of these for $15.96 and then get back $10. So we can grab 4 of these for $5.96. You don't need any Target coupon, you don't need anything else. These will be $5.96 for 4 just with swag bucks. Since I'm going to be using my save $10 when you spend 50 Target Circle coupon, I'm going to add in a couple of these free and clears as well. So these are $4.99 each, and then we're going to submit back for $5 on 2, making them like buy one get one free or $2.50 a piece. So this is our cart so far, but we're still a long way from $50. So let me show you what else we're gonna grab. So on Shopkick, we have some really nice offers for Pine Sol that I wanted to add into this deal as well. This deal is amazing on the Pine Sol. So these are $4.99 each. So each one of these Pine Sols is $4.99 each. You might have some smaller bottles available at your store, but at my store, these are the smallest bottles that they carry for $4.99 each. So 2 of them would total us up to $9.98. With the 800 kick offer on Shopkick and the 700 kick offer on Shopkick, that's a total back of $6. So that'll make our final cost for these 2 big bottles of Pine Sol $3.98 with no coupons needed. So this is another deal. Like if you wanted to just come in and just get this alone, these would be $1.99 each for these big bottles of Pine Sol, but I'm gonna add them in with my larger deal so we can get them a little bit cheaper. And if you are new to Shopkick, when you sign up, use my code STAR and you will get an additional $5 in free kicks when you redeem your first offer like this one. That will make these 2 bottles completely free. Now this next part of the deal, you may want to swap out for 2 more of the Clorox free and clear cleaners. The reason I got these 2 babies right here is because I wanted to try using the $3 manufacturer coupons along with the $3 Ibotta rebate, because I know that that will bring these down to $1.29, and I really like this product. Since trying it, I just really like it. So $1.29 is a definite stock up price for me. Now when I got up to the register with these, that coupon does beep at the register, so the cashier did have to put it in at self-checkout. If you know your store will not put in any paper coupons, then you might want to just scratch that part of the deal, or understand that this will cost you $4.29 if you're only using Ibotta. And I will be giving you an all digital breakdown for this deal on how you can get these products for the $1 each price using no paper coupons, but I just wanted to show you what I actually did as well. The cashier put in my paper coupons, it actually dropped my total down, so I decided to add in a bottle of Persil to get me back over the $50 mark for this coupon. But if you're not using any paper coupons, then you do not need this Persil. in this deal. But we have $1 back on Ibotta, or you might have $2 back depending on your Ibotta. And we also have a 10% Target Circle offer. And the last thing I decided to grab was also not needed for my deal, but I just wanted to get this. Now, I really wanted to get the pumpkin scented hand soap, but my store didn't have any of that. I am just really in a fall mood, you guys. I really am about that fall life. I want everything to cool down. I'm ready to see the fall leaves. I'm ready to drink my pumpkin spice, all of that. So I decided to grab two of these hand soaps over here for $2.49. Now, this is another item that I decided to try my luck to see if the 50-cent manufacturer coupons would work on these at Target, because it's been a long time. It's been years since I used printable coupons at Target. One of the reasons why I stopped shopping at Target so much is because they don't take printable coupons or paper coupons too much. So I decided to try my luck to see if the 50-cent coupons would work. They also beeped at the register, so I had to have them put in manually, and my cashier was nice and she did put them in, but they do beep also. And I submitted over to Ibotta for 75 cents back. And we also have a Target Circle offer for 15% off of these. So with no paper coupon needed, these are only $1.37 each, which is a definite great price on these. But with the paper coupon that I used, these came out to 86 cents each. And then while you're at Target picking up your household items, let me show you a couple freebies that you can get. The first one is this Born pasta sauce. So I posted about this on my blog a couple months ago, but this is still free after your aisle rebate. So you can buy one and then submit back for the complete cost. The manufacturer reimburse you. So these are $2.99. You can get them for completely free after rebate. And the Stur water enhancers are also still free after rebate, so I'll have this link down below for you as well. So you can grab one of these for $3.99 and receive the full cost back via PayPal or Venmo using that link. And here's an all digital breakdown with no paper coupons involved if you want to do this deal and you have that 10 off of 50 Target coupon. So what you want to grab is 4 of the all purpose cleaners for $3.99 each, 4 of the free and clear cleaners for $4.99 each, 2 of the Pine Sol for $4.99 each, and then 2 of the fall hand soaps for $2.49 each. Your total is $50.88 before coupons. After the 15% offer on the hand soaps, you should be at $50.14. And then after the $10 savings for the 10 off of 50 coupon, that will bring you down to $40.14 that you will pay at the register. Roll in those gift cards. Then you're going to get back $20 in cash from Swag Bucks, $6 from Shopkick, and $1.50 from Ibotta for the hand soap for all 12 items. So you're going to get a total of 12 household items for $12, making them only $1.05 each, and that is with no paper coupons needed. You guys, so this is everything that I grabbed from Target today. I will put a screenshot of my receipt up on the screen, but everything worked out really well for everything that we got. So before I went to check out, I did go into my Target account and I loaded all of my Target gift cards that I had available. I redeemed on Shopkick so that I could reduce my out-of-pocket cost, and I redeemed a total of about $30 in Target gift cards from Shopkick, and I also had a $15 Target gift card that I already had. So we want to roll our rebate money. So with those gift cards, I had no out-of-pocket today for all of these cleaning products. So after my 10 off of 50 Target coupon, plus the coupons that I used on the Lysol and the soft soap, my subtotal for this deal came up to $43. Then I submitted over to the rebate apps. I got back $15 instantly from Swagbucks. I got back $8.50 from Ibotta. And I also got back $6 from Shopkick. It made my final cost for all of these items $14.33. And this deal would have been a little bit cheaper. It would have been $13 and some change had I clipped my 10% offer for the Persil. But since I ran and added that at the last minute, when my total was dropped under that 50, I didn't remember to clip it. But if you have that, that'll make everything about $13 and some change. And so that makes everything that we got today about $1 a piece. And for the items that we got, I will definitely pay $1 a piece because, like I said, cleaning products are a little bit harder to get stocked up on. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. And as always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.